Hi again, YouTubers. So I am sitting down today to do a video that a lot of people have requested from me, and it's kind of a vanity tour, which is my vanity here, but it's also the room, kind of showing you guys how I have it set up, what I use, how I have it. I have been on a kick this year so far to really clean out this room, kind of get it organized. I am going to be doing a Poshmark page with lots of stuff. I think I have like 5 bags of stuff right now. Crazy to put up for sale. But that being said, I'm going to show you guys just kind of how I have everything set up right now. I used to do this every year in January, and I can't tell you the last time I did one of these. So I'm going to jump right in, and I hope you guys enjoy it. All right, guys. So this is what it looks like when you are walking in. That is my whole vanity, but keep in mind this is also mostly my closet. I keep a pair of UGG slippers here. That's just an old thing to hold the door. I've got all my perfumes in through here, a photo from Home Goods, a bust from Pottery Barn. This is a chest from Pottery Barn. If you guys want links for anything, just DM me or message me, because I'm not going to link all this stuff. This has some jewelry I haven't worn and don't wear that often, but I want to kind of keep hold of it in case I just change my mind on it. Then I have stuff like those are tights, camis and so on and so forth, underwear and stuff, bralettes and strapless bras, then regular bras. Then over here, I just have some packaging from things I've bought over the years up there just to make it look nice. I've changed this. These are tank tops, short sleeve shirts, all long sleeve t-shirts. These are nicer sweatshirts. These are more gym style sweatshirts. Then I put all of my low heeled shoes. Those are the ones I have on right now, where the hole is. These are the lower heeled boots, so not high heeled ones. And then I have all my tall boots are down here, and I use wine bottles to hold those up. Again, another picture. I keep over here, this is where my laundry basket goes. I keep over here eyelashes, glues, things like that in these little things. These eye patches are amazing, guys. And then I've been testing, look at my clock, but it's not doing that in real life. That's so weird. This is a Michael Todd Sun. It's a dermaplaning, at-home dermaplaning I've been using. These are all concealers. This is where I keep my concealers and kind of like corrector style things. Packaging for things that I was testing out. Those both can go in the trash now. Backups of my 2 most used things, my Blend Smart. I keep some extra brushes that I sometimes change out to over there. Just a coaster. This is that Sephora brush cleaner. This is a crazy magnifying mirror with more of a blue light, I guess it would be. It's not as warm. No, maybe it isn't. I don't know. It's a super magnifying and then just regular. I use the super magnifying all the time. Over here, this is actually a door. So these 2 are drawers, and this one is a door that opens. And this has in it a bunch of hair ties and hair things. My T3 featherweight. These are my curling irons and wands. I've been paring those down with my beach waver and my T3 now, so I can get rid of some of this stuff. Let me know if you guys would want to see that stuff on my Poshmark for sale. My T3 is actually cooling off right now. Then in this first drawer here, this is all palettes right through here, or these are like quads and things like that. I pared down my lipsticks last year. Those are my favorite brand of lipsticks. It's the Lancome Le Rouge Absolute, I think, or something like that. By far my favorite lipstick brand. Then just some other lipsticks. The few mascaras I have. This, I used to have different things in it. I haven't used it in a while. A pair of scissors and a pen. Nothing really of importance in here. These acrylic holders are phenomenal for this type of stuff. The next drawer down is hair products. So I have a lot of hair products still in here, even though I just use Monate, because you never know when you're going to want something that I don't have something to work for. Hair ties, bobby pins, clips, hairbrushes. Nothing too exciting in this drawer. Then we'll go up here. So I have 2 different types of light bulbs in my vanity. This is a Vanity Girl, or Vanity Hollywood, what's it called? Vanity Girl Hollywood mirror. 2 different types of bulbs. I have daylight bulbs, and I have, 5 warmer bulbs. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 warmer bulbs, and then the rest are all more of the daylight bulbs. Let's see here. We have my favorite deodorant, my LisaSz09, my favorite lip balm. I use this type of brush to put on my LisaSz09. This thing, guys, is amazing. It's a matte. It's actually a drying mat for the kitchen, I think. But you can put it down. If makeup gets on it, you just throw it in the wash. It's awesome. I have my iPad here, and that charger is there. But I usually like watch here. If I'm doing a Instagram live, this is where you see it. My Rejuvenate oil, must have. This is that Pixie by Petra. Tika told me about this. The vitamin makeup mist. I like it. Then my Smashbox priming. This is the on-off with that. This is another mirror. Hi, guys. Which is magnified, as you can see, and regular. I keep hair clips around here. This one, like these don't, like my light here is what I use. Let's skip over to here. I have another mirror that is from IKEA right there. I keep Q-tips in a little thing. I have a candle here. This one is all nail polishes. Usually down here I keep empties, but I have so many. Is there something back there? Nope. I have so many that they don't fit in there right now. This is my main drawer that I use, okay? So this is what it looks like, and I'm going to kind of zoom in. I'll sit down and show you. So these here, this lip gloss is on, it's almost done. That's why it's sitting in there. These are just like those face razors. I've got cuticle clippers, cuticle scissors. These are all glosses in through here. These are all lip stains with exception of my must-have. These are the two most grabbed for of the Lancome lipstick that I love. I have those Smashbox contour sticks in here. This is a backup. This actually needs to go up over there. This was a sample of that Too Faced lip injection. I like it, but I have a full size of the regular one up here. My reading glasses over here. These are all lip liners. And then these are like crayon style lipsticks. But look at, I've got a ton of lip liners and my two favorites right there. Then over here I have eyeshadow primers. So cream eyeshadow bases, primers, things like that. My two must-have go-to, the Bobbi Brown Longwear Cream Shadow Stick in Taupe and Vanilla. And then I have a few like eyeshadow palette or twos or ones or whatever have you that don't fit with anywhere else. A single eyeshadow, two lip products. These are my most grabbed for concealers right now and this corrector because I'm so pale that the green, I have a lot of red to my skin and the green helps right now. This eyeshadow palette was from the FabFitFun box. I love this thing, guys. I love it, love it, love it. So pretty. My Naked Basics that I grab for all the time, and then just a MAC palette that I use quite frequently. Then over here, these are, I dropped something the other day. I forget what it was. These are liners that are like gel liners, liquid liners, pan liners. These are all dark pencil liners. These are all light colors or different colored pencil liners. These are brow products all in through here. This is my only one I've used for quite some time now. I've got mascara ones to brush out my eyelash extensions, tweezers, some other eyebrow products. Then this set over here actually has 3 drawers. So we're going to open this up. I have a ton of different styles of beauty blender type things. I have some miscellaneous powders here. These are all my Laura Mercier Loose Minerals, Translucent, and then the By Terry. I have, these are just a couple different, like more illuminating powders are over here, except for the RCMA. This is Under Eye Setting, it's right through here. These are all bronzers going through here, and these two here are also bronzers. This one is all blushes. It's a little bit messy, but, well, these are highlighters in this part here. These are highlighters as well. This is a highlighter palette. There are some kabuki style brushes right back there. This is all my most grabbed for blushes kind of run in through this part right through here. I have 2 MAC blush palettes that are in through here. I thought I had 3, but I guess I have 2. Was there anything underneath of that? Oh, some more beauty blenders. Those are old ones. Probably need to be thrown away. These are a couple more darker blushes are right in here. A couple cream ones, a couple blush palettes, a spray blush. I don't remember what that's called. And then I've got, that one didn't fit anywhere, but then I've got a couple blush palettes and things like that in through here. And then my crazy drawer. This I just keep on my lap. It's eyelash glue, as a lot of that has been washed 1,000 times, but it is all kinds of stained up. But I just keep it in there. My brush roll with all my brushes in it. Then I've got, these are CC creams. These are primers. These are all spray bronzers and foundations. This is foundation, 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 foundations. Then these are all brushes that I switch in and out of at all different times, but they're all there. They're ones that I like, that I don't want to get rid of. Then over here I have a step stool because I need it sometimes. Over here is workout shirts. So these are all workout shirts, and then I have hats up here. These are all workout shirts. These are long sleeve ones. These are all tank top style ones. Up here I just have some decorative stuff and some books. Now I've switched this to be shoes. So I've got like high point, like stiletto style heels over here. These are more summer ones up through here. More, you know, what would you call that? Like dressy, but closed-toed style ones through here. Open-toed booties, like lower heeled booties, higher heeled booties. Down here, this is all stuff in this, and this are all stuff for a haul video. These are all empties, some photos. This drawer here is all socks, leggings, workout socks, etc. There's not much in this drawer right now. I'm still working on that. I don't even know what's in this drawer. Oh, there we go. So swimsuits, cover-ups, sports bras, shorts. Didn't even remember what was in there. Then we have over here, I showed you guys, has some higher heels that I don't grab for as frequently. This is more dresses, tunic styles, some long maxis that are folded over. These are just like dresses in through here. Then I have sweater dresses, long maxi dresses. This thing is all scarves, but these are lightweight scarves, not like winter scarves that I keep there. I have all of my more casual Ugg boot, tall boots down there. I now switch this up. Okay, so let me go across here real quick. So I have all my, these are more like clutches and things like that. These up here are all bigger bags, so to speak. Then over here, I have all of my cardigans, okay? And then down here, I have all of my like sweatshirt style shirts. Now, this is all, so I have, these are all shirts and sweaters. No t-shirts, no anything else. So from the dressier shirts, they all go in color order and then by style inside. So shortest sleeve to longest sleeve in color order through all of this. And then I go down here and do the same thing in colors. Then I keep all of my sneakers down there. In this ottoman, I actually keep all of my, it opens up. Ugh, and I keep all of my PJ stuff is in here. I have my chair right there, little trash can underneath. And that's the room, guys. If you need links for anything, just send me a message. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching that. It's ever changing. It's never the same. It's always changing. Over on Instagram stories, you guys will see when I decide to make a change, I kind of talk about it over there. So if you want to see how I change things or whatever have you, that's a good place to follow me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Happy New Year, and thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.